India, the land where ancient wisdom meets modern innovation, where diversity is not just accepted but celebrated, and where every corner tells a story thousands of years old. From the snow-clad Himalayas in the north to the serene backwaters of Kerala in the south, from the arid deserts of Rajasthan to the lush green tea gardens of Assam, India's geography is as varied as its culture. This vast landmass is blessed with every season: the freshness of spring, the warmth of summer, the romance of monsoon rains, and the calm of winter. Each season brings with it festivals, colors, and traditions unique to different regions, yet all tied together by the unifying spirit of India. Our culture is a living, breathing tapestry of languages, religions, and customs. India is home to more than 1.4 billion people who speak over 1,600 languages and dialects, yet we stand together as one nation. The festivals here, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Pongal, Holi, Baisakhi, Onam, are not just regional events but shared celebrations where neighbors, regardless of faith, come together in joy. Food here is more than sustenance. It is an art form. From the fiery curries of the south to the fragrant biryanis of Hyderabad, from the chaat of Delhi to the sweets of Bengal, Indian cuisine has something for every palate. India's contribution to the world is unmatched. It is the land where the concept of zero was discovered, where the decimal system originated, and where advanced surgery and medicine were practiced centuries before modern science caught up. The Vedas, Upanishads, and other ancient texts hold not only spiritual teachings but also knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, metallurgy, and environmental balance. Ayurveda, our traditional medicine, continues to inspire natural healing worldwide. In the field of education and intellect, India has given the world brilliant minds who have changed the course of history. From mathematicians like Aryabhata and Srinivasa Ramanujan, to scientists like C. V. Raman and A. P. J. Abdul Kalam, to modern innovators leading global companies like Sundar Pichai of Google and Satya Nadella of Microsoft, India's talent shines across the globe. Our space agency, ISRO, has stunned the world by sending missions to Mars and the Moon at record-breaking costs, proving that innovation does not always need excessive resources but rather vision, skill, and determination. Geopolitically, India stands as a voice of balance, peace, and cooperation. We have always extended a helping hand to nations in distress, be it through humanitarian aid, disaster relief, or medical assistance like during the COVID-19 pandemic when India became the pharmacy of the world, supplying vaccines to over 100 countries. Our armed forces are among the bravest in the world, guarding our borders in extreme conditions while also participating in peacekeeping missions worldwide. India's youth is its greatest strength. With one of the youngest populations in the world, we are a country full of dreamers, thinkers, creators, and doers. From the booming tech sector to groundbreaking startups in healthcare, education, and renewable energy, young Indians are shaping the future not just of India but of the entire planet. This blend of tradition and modernity, of ancient roots and futuristic vision, is what makes India truly unique. The soul of India lies in its unity in diversity. We may debate, argue, and have 1,000 opinions on everything, but when it comes to our nation's pride, we stand shoulder to shoulder. This spirit has carried us through struggles and triumphs since our independence in 1947. Every Independence Day reminds us not just of our freedom but of the responsibility to protect and nurture this incredible nation. We are the world's largest democracy, where every citizen has the right to speak, dream, and achieve. India is more than just a country. It is a civilization that has endured for over 5,000 years, adapting, evolving, and thriving. It is a place where the sacred Ganga flows with stories, where the chants of temples mix with the call of the muezzin and the ringing of church bells, where ancient forts stand alongside glass skyscrapers, and where the heart beats with hope for a brighter tomorrow. As we celebrate our independence, we remember that India's greatest strength is its people, united, resilient, and ready to lead the world with wisdom, courage, and compassion.
Hope you like the video. See you with another interesting video. Bye then, signing off from Black and Blank.